Want to know what this notification really means for your business? It's not just vanity, it's currency. If you're not getting new reviews every week, you're losing trust, you're losing traffic, and yes, losing bookings. Because in 2025, people don't book med spas, they book reputations. And today I'm going to give you the exact system to collect more 5-star reviews automatically, authentically, and without begging your clients. So let's go. You do great work, right? Clients leave glowing comments in person. They say, I'll definitely leave a review. And then crickets. No Google review, no Facebook stars, just silence. And meanwhile, your competitor down the street, they've got 278 reviews and counting. Even if their results aren't better, their reputation is. That has to change. Here's what works, and I call it the review flywheel. It's 3 steps, right? 3 easy steps to set up, runs on autopilot, and get your results this week. Step 1, the review trigger. Timing is everything. Don't wait until the client is out the door. Ask while they're still riding the high of their treatment, right after a facial or filler, right? They're glowing, they're grateful. That's your window. Say this exactly. Hey, if you had a great experience today, it would mean the world if you left us a quick Google review. It helps people find us. Keep it casual, no pressure, but plant the seed. Step 2, the instant link. Here's where most spas lose people. Friction. If your client has to search your name, find your listing, scroll down to the review section, you've already lost them. Instead, text them a direct link to your review form before they leave the building. Tools like a Podium, Birdeye, or even a simple Google review shortcut makes this easy. Thanks for coming in. If you loved your visit, here's a quick link to leave a review. Boom, 2-tap process done. The easier it is, the more reviews you get. Period. Step 3, the follow-up nudge, right? Some people won't do it right away, and that's okay, but don't leave it to chance. Send a friendly follow-up within 24 hours. Use email, text, or even DM if that's where the conversation started. Here's an example. Hey, first name, just checking in. Thanks again for coming in yesterday. If you haven't had a chance to leave a review, here's that link again. It really helps us grow. It's polite, personal, and powerful. One of our clients used this exact flywheel and went from 29 reviews to 186 in just 6 weeks. The results jumped to the top of Google Maps, 3x increase in direct bookings. And the best part, their marketing costs went down because their reputation started doing the selling. That's the leverage reviews bring. Who are you more likely to book with, right? The spa with 9 reviews or the one with 212 and a 4.9 rating? All right, so you've got the playbook for reviews. If you're serious about turning reviews into revenue, the next step is simple. Click the link below and schedule your free demo. On this call, I'll show you how to instantly follow with every lead and how to get more reviews, the exact ad plus automation system we'd use and run for your med spa, and how to convert reviews into clients step by step. We only book a handful of demos each week, so grab your spot now before it fills up.